Bro. Get slap and clapped. What's the deal, Des? Your favorite indices are ripping again. The boomer turds. How the hell are you, Chrissy? Is this a cut kind of day? Or do we get some action finally? By the way, did you even trade yesterday? Cranky? Who's cranky and why? Zoom call? I don't know, bro. I can't do Zoom before I place a trade. That's rage bait central. Oh, bro, yeah, me neither. This is a very dark day outside. Yeah, it's not pretty, Des. It's very dark. Pretty sure it's like that in Canada too. Why is Rain Man over here talking about he's locking the overnight low scalp? What did he lock? 5 points? Eternal Spring. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I was looking at that. It was right here. Yeah, the little base that built out. Morning, Benny. Morning, Tom. 860 on watch. At 860 is so far away. Better hope we don't just make all-time highs and keep on ripping higher. This fib buy zone area would be kind of interesting from yesterday's move. I mean, it's not much, but something. A little something to lean on. $880. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know, man. I might have to go with Benny. The lower the better. 860. Azal. Alright, data incoming. And then supposedly, Trump is speaking in 5 minutes too. So this should be a fun day. Hopefully. If this thing starts to work. Alright, that's insane. What? Why is this? This is crazy. Yeah, Trump in 5 minutes. And then more Trump. 2 and 1. Wow. Topstep is lacking, bro, because J-Pow's not on there for whatever reason, but all good, all good. We still got more data at 10. Should be plenty of burgers today. Does anyone feel like shorting today? Like a retest into overnight low? Is that crazy? Is that insane? It's the only thing we got to work with at this point. Oof, oof. You out. It's a lifetime away. Oh my god, this little... Never mind. Alright, there it is. Let's see. I got a little entry. Yeah, shorts have been a trade in the big picture. Couldn't get a good entry there. Per 1 minute, so per 30 sec, still late. You had to be a 5-second goblin to get that one. So I'm like 10 points too late, essentially. I don't know, we'll see. Could just be another ripper to the account. There's the better entry I would have taken. Cleaner on the 1. Tighter. But didn't think it would get a retest, honestly. Benny, what's your target for the short? If you ended up taking it. Yeah, 925. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I just put it at 900 in case Trump says something wild and we get a quick move. But oh, we got data in 2 more minutes too. We'll see. Oh yeah, for sure, not a good trade with a backdrop. It's just something at this point. I could sit with an NTD all week, technically. Yeah, true. But my mindset cannot comprehend it. It thinks I'm not doing anything. Well, a no trade week after followed by like a green week or like after a green week feels okay. But like after you're red and then you go on a whole no week of trading, I mean no trading week, feels so counterproductive. I know it's not. It just feels like it is. Yeah. And Trump speaking too, or about to. I don't know. I don't know if he started yet. Let's see. I mean, a pullback looks like it will be healthy in this downtrend. I mean, in the subtrend. Nothing crazy. You don't even gotta retest the 888. Ooh. This 5 second is so action packed. Yo, what up, Albert? Pulling, please. Please pull. Be a good man. Smash it. Yeah, Benny pretty much nailed that PT1. Kind of right where you would expect it in this little area from yesterday. Albert. Oh yeah, it's not looking good. Yeah, I agree, Benny. But me, I'm doing something a little silly with this XFA, with just placing targets and letting whatever happen. No management. So I'm gonna stick to it, whether it gets steamrolled or hits target. And I gotta activate one of the XFAs like tomorrow before they expire it. Long it. I like the 5 for longs. Do you like the 5 for longs? Right around 10 a.m. Reversal time too. Makes sense. And the location. Lean on? Like for a long? Just that area from yesterday, bro. Yeah. Why not, bro? Nothing's real anyway. What's up, Dave? Yeah, Benny. Bro, Benny, in August, I ended up ripping a bunch of combines separately, so I passed like 6 or 7 or something. I don't know, like something ridiculous. And I gave one to the bot, traded 2 together, got some payouts, and then the rest of them haven't been activated. So I need to do that. It was like late August, so I'm like running out of days to activate them. Dude, I don't know yet because it's so new. But I think honestly, I don't know. It's right now it's on a 50K, and I've changed the settings so much so I can't even give you accurate data. Like look at this. This is my P&L so far, and like, okay, I plugged in NQ, so like I plugged in NQ on the 4th. So this has been NQ on forward, and at the same time, while it's been on NQ, I've also changed the settings a bunch. So it's like I can't even give you accurate data on how it's performing, but it hasn't blew up itself, so a 50K might work. But it is like pretty dangerous because if it goes on like a crazy. Well, on FOMC day, it caught a big long and a big short. I mean, big stop. So this was it. So it was up pretty fat, and then it ate a huge stop and still survived. So like, if it can survive FOMC, I think it could survive a 50K count so far anyway. But like, if I was to look at the stats, September till now. September 4th, this is it. 70% hit rate. So it's currently down a little bit. It's $50. And what I've changed is yeah, you could turn it off on one tier data or tier 1 data, right? But remember that day the bot caught a, like, I don't know, something ridiculous. It was like a $10,000 day. It's funny because like, the greed in you will want it to work on those days. So in case it does catch something good. So it's like, I don't know, it's an odd trade-off. But the average win or loss, right? This is with scaling out. What I did this, I don't know when, I'm not sure honestly, but like about a week and a half ago, so sometime here when I wasn't trading, I changed the targets from scaling out one contract at a time to selling everything at once, because I figured it's going to be better profit like that long term, because it usually doesn't hit PT3 often. But if I just sell all at stop and sell all at PT2, I think it's better because it turns everything into like 2R, like a straight 2R, and with 70% hit rate so far, which I think it could do even better. It's pretty good. Could work. And then what I also changed, I think I changed it on FOMC day, bro. That's where I kind of fucked up. But I changed my stops to, let me show you. So like normally, let me see, I'll bring it over. So look, check this out. This is the bar, right? So normally this red line is your stop. And like the way it's coded from factory is like, once this line is breached, you get stopped out. So you can give this some room so you don't get stopped out, and you could give it like on a candle close basis. For example, what was it? Oh, maybe it was here. Hold on, I'll find it. Oh, right here. Like, there was a day where this kind of pissed me off, but the idea worked. It hit PT2, and this is like a 2-hour trade, but I got stopped out because that little red line got breached. So I changed it to a candle close basis. So like my stop doesn't get hit unless a 2-minute candle closes below this red line. And that's like, it's good and it's bad because now, you know, the odds are your trade works, but also like it widens your stop. So on FOMC, I ate a humongous stop when I didn't really need to, and that's just what happened. That's just how it's been. So I don't know, man. But I think I'm gonna run these settings moving forward. I don't think I'm gonna change anything. Yeah, I definitely been tweaking it a lot, trying to figure out the best thing. Yeah, I know. 2-minute candle during FOMC is an eternity, bro. It got ripped. Like, instead of taking a 50-point stop, which during FOMC it would have been normal, it took like almost a 100-point stop. So stop to break even after TP1. Yeah, I don't know. That I don't know how to change. That's something that will be something deeper in code. But from what I'm looking at, the hit rate is nice. So September was rough because I was tweaking it all the time, but I think like next month it should even out. And the fact that it stayed break even all month, even like through the BS, is a good sign. So like I said, with the settings just normal now, or not normal, but like with the settings same, I think it should start growing into green. Like a Russian hacker. Yeah, I'm the Russian hacker, but I don't have access to everything. A lot of it is on Kyle's end, so. Yeah, bro, I hate automation too. Like, then Kyle has mentioned it too, that like this is gonna be a problem for a lot of people, but basically like you'll get pissed off at this thing trading, bro, unless you fully forget about it, and which is hard. I can't say it's harder, bro. It's just more like it's annoying. Like this morning, right? Or not this morning, because this morning I didn't really look at it. But there's been mornings where I've accidentally looked at the bot and I saw that it was trading in an open trade, or like it's down on the day, and like I'm already pissed because now I'm like, okay, bro, like what'd you do? So I started looking at this thing's trades, and I just get mad. Now my entire morning is ruined because before even taking my actual trade in the actual account, I'm over here kind of tilted over the bot. Like, it's insane. So it definitely adds like this little emotional burden that you shouldn't have. But yeah, the way to avoid that is to really only, like, once you see that this thing works for a couple of weeks, yeah, just stop checking it, bro. Like, now that I know that everything's working, everything's functioning, everything's firing as it should, yeah, I don't want to look at it at all. I don't care what it's doing. At least not till the end of the day, or like even better at the end of the week. Yeah, definitely not a great environment at all. Not at all. But yeah, the fact that it's surviving is pretty amazing. Because my XFA is not. My personal account is on a prayer. Yeah, I just, like I said, I already told you this though. I just trade whatever makes sense. Like, I don't know, doesn't really matter. And it worked. It worked for a long time until it didn't. This is how trading is, man. It was working really well. And July, August, even early September. And then the closer we got to all-time highs, the more I started struggling. And like in the weirdest way, I kind of can't wait until this thing just blows already. I hate how deep into red this account is. But when the old me used to feel like that, I used to just full port it and blow it on purpose, or like, you know, gamble it, see what happens. But now I'm just still trading it with the framework, still trading it one day at a time. And if it goes, it goes. It doesn't matter. I will not be upset. I'm just like, I've been over this account for a while because it's paid out. And I don't know. It's on the old dashboard. I don't even like that. Yeah, progress. Yeah, this year's kind of crazy too. Like, there's times where I've been pretty sad about my progress or like lack of payouts, and then I just look back on where I was 90 days ago, or even when the year started. It's just so different. The way I see market structure and the way I handle my emotions, everything's just leveled up. Yes, sir, Benny. What's crazy too is like I've switched up my, yeah, Trump is speaking. I haven't seen. That's not even Trump. I got some Bostic. Other feds. Weird. ETF? Like elite trader funding? Nah. I tried it a long time ago. I tried it like 2 years ago. When I first got into futures, those got blown up, and then I just never went back. And then especially after Kyle's video, they look even less appealing since, oh, 90% sale, yeah. No, the whole point of that thing was, like Kyle said, was to run a bunch of accounts, like 20 accounts plus, but they move you to live so fast, so. Also, at this point, I figured that like I need Project X. I need it. Like I can't trade anything that doesn't have it, because without these limit lockers, I might just fold. Yeah, it goes straight to live after like a second payout, I believe. Just kind of way too fast. Apex could never. I don't think anyone's ever went to live with Apex. Slanging 20 accounts. Yeah, but you trade a self-funded, right? For Ninja Trader. Or no? Or was that what you go with for props? I'm telling you though, it's those limit lockers in Topstep X. Just the biggest thing for my trading. The biggest. Tell you one thing, this account would have been long gone. Long gone if it wasn't for that. But with them, I at least get to trade it day by day and see what I can do, even when it's in a bad streak. Makes sense. Aw, thanks, Chrissy. We can get rid of those trading wheels. Yeah, facts. They're slowly starting to get loose and soon to fall off. I was looking at them, Dave, but no, I haven't. And also, they don't look as good as they are on Trade of 8 yet, anyway. Yeah, the OCL and Ninja Trader were pretty nice too. I've never actually used them, but I remember Dom showed them to me over a call. I'm like, it's probably the best in the industry. Oh yeah, the active trailing. I think Trade of 8 has that too. The biggest thing I've been wanting for Topstep X to bring is third-party indicators and like some better chart trading. Like, I love this, but I hate that I gotta do all of that. This is insane. These little windows and whatnot. And you can't even select a custom amount. That's crazy. So if you're buying custom amounts, you can only really slap these buttons. Yeah, I guess you could create some hotkeys too. Yeah, exactly. The trade order or the order entry on Trade of 8 is very good. Problem with of 8 is that they don't auto cancel your contracts like how they do here. Like, I say if your take profit hits, now your stop adjusts and your break even adjusts. Trade of 8 doesn't, so you'll just end up shorting some shit or going counter if it just goes back quick enough if you don't adjust it. Oh, what? You're doing that on you're doing that on TSX, Chrissy? I never really looked at them, honestly. I should try that out. Oh, nice. What'd you set it to? Just buy market? Or... Oh, this is neat. Yes, yes, yes. Join the ask. That could be interesting. Could be interesting. For real, get me in. So I was with options, bro. I had everything set to hotkeys, slapping them in and out. Yeah, I was looking at that too. That's nice. This one's stupid. Hide volume profile column. Like, who actually uses that? Oh, this one's dangerous. This is like full tilt mode. You just start reversing your positions. Yeah, that, no, I swear to God, bro. We said that at the same time too, bro. I've been down bad before, like flipping my positions on combines, just full tilt. Haven't taken a single breath in like an hour. Just sitting there all stressed out. On a day like this too, just flipping, getting chopped to death. Bro, this is insane. Snoozy, poopy, choppy. Yeah, where you been, Dez? You over there hanging out in the strong stream, huh? Over there tanning out with Tan. Wow, Chrissy? Still cash an hour into the market? That's insane. It's a rare time where bro did not like the opening drive. Dez looking for a fix. That's funny. Chrissy knows I copy traded like a combine or two when he was on his green streak. Passed him. But I don't know, it's a stupid thing to do unless you're just degen gambling, but like to send your XFA or your own account and copy someone else's trades is, I don't know, it's a disaster waiting to happen. And then you'll always be mad because it's like, it's not your own trade. Monthly, I don't know. It's tough to say because you scale out, so your one trade with 10 contracts could look like 10 trades or 11 trades, whatever it counts it as. But how many actual, okay, without scaling, I don't know, I'd say you do like 3 to 5 trades per day, right? So times that by 20. 60 to 100 trades a month. Maybe. Well, I mean, it doesn't sound too crazy, honestly. Somebody does that in a day. Yeah, 100. Yeah, it's not too bad, I don't think. Why do you think it's bad though? Like, I mean, if those trades are valid, why not? And it's just like I said, whatever makes sense to you. I had good months where I've traded 5 to 10 times a day. And I've had a very good month trading 1 time per day. It's kind of hard to put a pin on it. And I seen a thread on Twitter, somebody asked, like, how much do you guys trade per week? And the dude who started the thread said, like, he trades 3 to 5 times per week. Sometimes none. Just, that's crazy. That's way too inactive for me. I don't know, you have to have an insane RR and a very high hit rate for that to make sense. To where, like, one trade just brings a huge gainer. But everyone in his replies were saying crazy things, like people were taking 50 to 100 trades per week. So I should probably find it. Yeah, both of those boomer turds are going back to VWAP. YM and RTY. Yeah, I feel it. See, that's how I felt whenever I tried that too. It's like I went from getting slapped in just NQ, now I'm getting slapped in all these other stupid names. Alright, let me just pick one. May as well just pick one. If someone's gonna annihilate me, let it be NQ. Cause like, at least NQ, if it chops, it's still somewhat moving. Those other things, when they start to chop, it literally looks like the market is closed. Go short only? Yeah. Mazal. Play good defense. Telling you, man, it's time. It's time for you to create your own group and lead everyone into Valhalla. Drop a course, Chrissy. Are you long RTY with Tanner? With your pal? No way. Albert, what are you doing, man? I didn't know you get down like that. Damn. It's like I don't even know you anymore. RTY? Insane. I'm pulling, bro. I'm pulling. I've been pulling all morning. Legs are giving out. Back is aching. Don't blame you. Speaking of fibs, where are we at intraday with this thing? Well. Oh wow. Oh wow. Instant rejection there. Wasn't expecting that. Dang, they swept my entry too. Nuts. Oh my god, bro. See, this is what I mean. Like, I look over, I check the bot is short. Now I'm pissed because I didn't want to know that. I didn't close the window from earlier. Because now, if we get stopped, we're both getting a double stop. Me and the bot, man. In this chop. Did anyone take that short at overnight low and VWAP? I just saw that looks a little better on the micro time frames. Of course. It's funny, I always know when Rain Man takes these. Nice, Des. What's your entry price? It's one of those times where like the micro time frame can get you a really Really tight entry. Very good RR. 52. Oh, bro, you're just like me. Late as hell. It's all good. I think mine is the same. Yeah, mine is like 55. From way earlier though, but no, I know what you mean, Des. I know what you mean. Sometimes you gotta trade off some risk for a confirmation. Bro, this thing's a piece. Bro, I can't believe this thing has been... It's been over an hour. It's been well over an hour. In fact, it's been so long, we're coming into cutoff territory and J-Pow territory. It's crazy, man. This is like my worst nightmare. Just getting chopped and not getting stopped. TP doesn't hit, you're just stuck in one place. Thing is, once this does resolve, we will go somewhere. Somewhere far. Oh, brother. It's all good, bro. We're still in the same area. You could just re-enter. Nothing's gonna change. In fact, I would say you probably got blessed. Probably got blessed. God looked out for you, said, "My son, you no longer have to sit in this chop." Bro, pray for me and pray for the bot, man. God damn. And Dez. Pray that Dez doesn't re-enter. Okay. Chrissy, it's your favorite time of the day. It's 11. Let's go. Will something happen? Hey, man. It's a good trade-off sometimes than just sitting there. Time to dust off your electric scooter and then go ride the boardwalk. Enjoy the beach. What's tough is that JPOW doesn't come on for almost another 2 hours. So until JPOW says something, we might just be stuck here. Might just be stuck here. Jeez. Bro, I'm dead. I opened up Tan's stream just to see what he's doing. And him and his partner are along. And they're saying the same thing that I am. They're just like, bro, just take me out. Because they've been sitting here just getting chopped. And I feel it, man. Nobody likes just sitting here for an hour watching their position do a whole bunch of nothing. Damn, can we get a new love day? That's crazy, bro. Insane action. Damn, spilled my coffee everywhere.
Place your mind beyond the reach of fear. Stop allowing your ruthless ambition to run away with your ability.
All right, I'm shutting this down. I'm just gonna leave this trade. Go to the gym. This doesn't even make sense to sit here. Powell's still in another hour. Stop is set. Take profit is set. Like I don't want to keep on being a hostage to the monitor. Doesn't even make sense. So yeah, whatever happens. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sir, appreciate you, bro. See you tomorrow.